Who is Phil Ebiner? Who am I? Let me give you a little bit more information about my background, my young entrepreneur life, and my school background so that you get to know me. I think it's really great to get to know your instructors as a student, and I think your students will enjoy getting to know you on a more personal level so that they can actually enjoy the classes a bit more that you teach. So I grew up in LA, actually in San Dimas, California, and I was a family of 4 children and 2 parents, of course. My mom and dad. My dad was a computer programmer, and my mom taught art classes on and off. And so I had this very intellectual and creative upbringing. I learned the value of dedication and hard work from my parents, and I learned creativity and artistic things from my mom. Both of these together resulted in me wanting to do video production throughout high school and university. I also did a lot of service, social work, and nonprofit work growing up through college, so that's a big part of my life as well. I applied to film schools out of high school, and I ended up attending Loyola Marymount University in Los Angeles. It's one of the top film schools in the country, and it was a great experience. Most of the stuff that I actually learned in class was when I was studying abroad in Germany and making my actual films. So I got to make some documentaries in Switzerland, India, Mexico, and South America, and that was a great experience. So I was well on my way to a very good career doing video production, and I worked a couple jobs out of school, but then I heard about this online teaching thing. And I was actually doing research for one of my jobs because we were building an online platform for the school's courses. And I heard about Udemy and I was like, I could do this. And so I just did it. I created a video editing course, and in October 2012, I did a lot of work, and I got 20 students in my course in 1 month, and I made $60. That was awesome. People were reviewing the class. One of my very first students actually got a job because of the skills that she learned in the class. And I started to build more and more classes, and I learned a lot about different platforms, about building a brand, building an audience. And it was great, and it's been great since. It's truly changed my life. So that's kind of where I am right now. Who am I not? This is also important so that you know who I'm not. I'm not an online guru. I don't claim to know everything there is. I think gurus are people that know everything there is about a particular subject. So I don't know everything. I'm continuously experimenting. You will see if you follow me on onlineteachingcareer.com and check out the monthly income reports at the end of this course that I'm trying new things all of the time. Some of the things in this class are going to be outdated in the next few months because I'm always trying new things and the online teaching landscape is changing constantly. I'm also not someone who had a huge email list. I didn't have any email list when I started. Now it's about 1,500 or so, and it's growing. I'm not a smartphone-aholic. I don't even have a smartphone, actually. I have a dumb phone that can text, and that's just part of who I am. So you don't need to be connected to the internet all of the time to make good, decent income online teaching. And I didn't have a background in teaching. So if you're coming into this thinking, I've never taught anyone in a class or outside of a class, that's totally fine. So I hope you enjoyed getting to know me. I hope to get to know you throughout this course. Please, send me a message or just post something in the discussion forums and let us know about yourself. What is your story? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.